got here. We're going to Philly BikeFest. Got Steve with his 14, modded and good stuff. Alright. Yeah, we're rolling deep today. So, gonna have some fun. We're gonna knock it out. Probably get some 360 videos and all that good stuff. Alrighty. So we're taking a chill pace, right? Alright. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Alright, folks. Doing a little walk around. I ran with this bike before, pretty fast. Some good stuff. Ooh, nice boulevard. I can see myself on one of those. Rode with that bike too. So, we gotta have fun, we're gonna ride, do our thing. Out with the fellas. We'll see y'all later. Alright. We're good to go. Right, so, welcome back to the Monster. Time to roll. What's going on, YouTube family? I am out here at Philly BikeFest. Got Steve over here. You know what? Carmine's gonna make jokes about it. What was that?
I feel more aerodynamic with the
Hey, you got the protection, man. Look what happened this morning. You know? But got Xavier over here. What's going on? Say what's up to them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Having some fun out here. We're gonna walk around. It's pretty hot. It's like what, 80 something degrees? Oh man. And my bike is black, so it's gonna absorb all of it. It's all good. But yeah, here at the Philly BikeFest, gonna walk around real quick, you know, having some fun. Look at the Spider-Man bike right here. If you know who the owner of this bike is, make sure you tag him in this video. But with that, let's see. I'm gonna do a walk around real quick. Now, carrying some stuff. But yeah, here we are at the bike festival. They're like Carmine. That's the OEM green.
It's a metallic green.
Yeah. Alright, bet. Alright, folks, we'll be back. That is crazy, bro. I bet you one of the rims costs more than our fairings or just tuning and all that good stuff. Alright, hold on, let me see. We're gonna walk around real quick. Matter of fact, got Zeus, got Steve's 14, got Lola, got the rest of the Pt1 boy crew, got Johnny's bike. And shout out to Joe, man. It sucks what happened. He went down in front of us. But as long as he's alright, that's the most important thing. But yeah, there's mad bikes out here. Look at the scope. Alright. So, we'll be back. We're going to walk around some more. See you in a bit. Alright, folks. Just doing a little walk around. This bike, what? 1031, quarter mile? Alright. Adco Raceway. Oh wow, that's a custom pipe right there, I'm assuming. Alright. Now Steve, if you notice in PA, you see a lot of 14s. Yeah, it's a lot of 14s. Oh, that's Yamaha?
The top speed on those bikes are actually like 165.
Not bad. Alright.
Really, they're actually, they got like 175 horsepower.
Yeah, that looks it. Yo, that is freaking amazing. Alright.
The only thing is it's not really that aerodynamic.
Yeah. Oh, and they got lights in there too? Alright. I can see myself on there. Now what about this? Wild card 3. Alright.
This looks like whole thing. Where the hell is it from, man? Is
One
that
sec.
made or you got it from somewhere?
Fun. Nice. See, we. No, well, we're going kind of fast. So. Yeah, I would still get one of these, man. When I get older, definitely. Oh, look at that. That's dope. Wow. I like it. Now, you remember those cars on the bridge? I bet you that's some of them over here. Yeah, bro, I think they put just as much money into these. Actually more. What? Oh, and I noticed that's a 4-seater. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is that a 4-seater? Are you serious? Wait, in it too. They got a baby seat in it. Oh, what the heck is this? Oh my goodness. Bro. Steve, easily, like 60 grand. Easy. Wow. A 4-seater freaking. Wow, that is crazy, bro. That's why you have Maserati. Yeah, sometimes, you gotta break it up a little bit, Oh, wow. Godzilla? Oh, that is sick. Oh, wow, that's dope. Wait, is that for the inside? That's what I'm talking about. Godzilla! I want to see Zeus versus Godzilla. That'd be freaking awesome. Oh, yeah. Oh, well. That's the alpha right there. He done beat everybody up in King of the Monsters. Oh, my gosh. That looks like, what was that? The like those strawberry thingies, the strawberry,
Yeah, the candy?
yeah, no, the ice cream bars. Do not touch. It got a speaker at the top of it, bro. Wow. How much horsepower do you think this is pushing? Like 1,000?
It depends on how much work he has done.
Oh, that's SS. Oh man. And it's lower, like.
Yeah, this is definitely lower custom doors.
Oh, this is some Knight Rider stuff. Look at the sound system in here. What the heck? Jeez, man, these guys aren't messing around. But you see, you got that scene. It's bigger here in PA. All right.
So what is it? Go big or go home?
Yeah. Oh, is this an 8-cylinder or 6?
No, this is 8.
Oh, he got the Knight Rider on it. Bro, look, check it out. If I had to vote for something, that wins by default. Oh my goodness. And he got the, oh man, he's killing it. All right. This has got my attention so much I have to do a walk around. Yeah, I know, right? It's from the 80s, baby. This yours? Man, let me tell you, awesome work. Awesome work. That's what I'm talking about. Bringing the night. Oh yeah, that's me. Oh man, Dark Knight Edition. Very nice, very nice. Bruh. See, I could get into cars one day.